In this video, we're going to do an example problem for solving for the number of each type of coin. So this is a type of word problem we have when we're solving equations. So in this example, we have that this person has a collection of dimes and quarters with a total value of $3.50. We know that the number of dimes is 7 more than the number of quarters. So I'm actually going to start with this part right here. The number of dimes is 7 more than the number of quarters. So I have the number of dimes is means equals. 7 more than means I'm adding 7. The number of quarters, which I'm going to do, is Q. So remember, using the letters that go with the word is a great way to keep track of which one's which. But let's say that the word is, it starts with an S, or maybe you don't want to write with an S. You can change the letters, it's fine. Just make a note of what your letters are that you change to. The other thing that I know is that the number of dimes and quarters has a total value of $3.50. Now, I personally find it easier to think about this as 350 cents, because then I can say that, oh, well, every dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 times the number of dimes plus every quarter is worth 25 cents. So 25 times the number of quarters is equal to 350 total cents. So what I've done here is I've created 2 equations that use the sentences that they've given me. Now they want to know how many of each coin he has. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the D in this equation, the number of dimes, with 7 more than the number of quarters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take quarters plus 7 and replace the D in this equation with that. So now I have 10 times Q plus 7, and then I have plus 25Q and equals and 350 all carry down. So we're replacing the number of dimes with its relationship with the number of quarters. Now to solve from here, I need to distribute, combine like terms, and use SADMAP. So I'm going to start by distributing. 10 times Q is 10Q, plus 10 times 7 is 70. Carry down my plus 25Q, and my equals 350. Now, I said after we distribute, we would combine like terms. In this case, my like terms are 10Q and 25Q. When I add those together, I get 35Q. I carry my plus 70 and my equals 350. Now I can subtract 70 from both sides, and that gives me a cancellation over here. So 35Q gets carried down and the equals gets carried down. Then we do 350 minus 70 and we get 280. Now to get Q by itself, I'll divide by 35 on both sides. This gives me that Q is equal to 8. So I have 8 quarters. Now going back here though, it said that I had 7 more dimes than I had quarters. So the number of dimes is going to be 8 plus 7, which is 15. And that's how I know how many of each coin he has.